The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Athens County. This includes Nelsonville, northwestern Gallia County, Jackson County. This includes Wellston, Oak Hill, Jackson, north central Lawrence County, northwestern Meigs County, Perry County. This includes Somerset, Shawnee, Perry State Forest, New Lexington, Vinton County. This includes MacArthur, Maypoke State Park, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 22 miles west of Somerset to 20 miles west of MacArthur to 31 miles west of Oak Hill, or along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Reynoldsburg to 8 miles southeast of Chillicothe to 10 miles northwest of Portsmouth, moving east to 25 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Gallia, Radcliffe, Petersburg, Maybe, Eagle Mills, Creola, Dyer, Allensville, Colton, Bechtel, Thornville, New Straitsville, Junction City, Hemlock, Glenford, Crooksville, Zaleski, Wilkesville, and Hamden. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Monday evening for central Kentucky and southeast Ohio and central West Virginia. Please report hail or strong wind to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Knox County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Utica and moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Fredericktown, Gambier, Danville, Martinsburg, and Gant. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This is a dangerous situation. This storm is producing widespread wind damage across Franklin County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Ross County, northeastern Pike County, eastern Pickaway County, Hocking County, Fairfield County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Pickerington to Tilden to Omega, moving east to 25 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Lancaster, Hocking Hill State Park, Bremen, Logan. In addition, Laurelville, Adelphi, Richmond-Dale, Londonderry, Carroll, U.S. Route 22 at State Route 159, Lennon, Clearport are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.